Okay, so happy birthday, mother. And happy birthday. Ako na lang mo blow si mong candle dari. Tara. And 5, 4, 3, 2. Woo! Yeah. Mo na siyang gitulo ka bok na kandila. Dili means na yung edad is 3 years old. But yeah, kung ano siya, I love you. Aww. Let's go, let's go, let's go, hurry, hurry. Yeah, want gasolina. Okay, so hi guys, I'm just here at the Cheesecake shop. Yeah, we really love the cakes here. And look at the cakes. Here's the cake.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Wow, ang dako lagi ni. Ang dako lagi yung gipalit.
Ha?
Ang dako lagi yung gipalit.
Gamay day.
Ay, ko half.
Ay, sige mo. Ano?
Dako.
Okay, so hi guys. Ano na yung cake na mag-order which is matod pa ni Celeste na dako daw kayo. Waso ko kabaw. Wawa kabaw.
Half size pang kalingin nun niya mas gamay ano.
Yeah, so far wala ko idea na natin ni half basta pag abot na ko dito ako rang gipakita sa atong tigbantay na money yung picture.
This is strawberry chocolate.
Yes. Anyway, mo ni siya ang naong kung asa mi karon guys.
Tour. The Cheesecake shop. Yeah, I'm gonna put it the Cheesecake shop. They have the black cheesecake and birthday cake. That's where I bought my birthday cake.
Yeah, so far ba magtanaw ko diri ba more dili na lockdown. Anyway, next stop kay Red Rooster Chicken.
Ng Australia.
Yeah, mo din na ang Jollibee ng Australia.
Ang Jollibee.
Yeah, lami bitaw kay lang chicken ito. Yeah. So, yeah, let's go. And yeah, nag-wait na lang mi sa mong chicken. We just order na namo with kanina na bayhana but until now wala pa. So I think we're gonna wait for about 5 minutes. Yeah, here. I think it's here already. Okay, thank you. Yeah, all good. So here's our favorite chicken and we're going home now and going to eat. Okay. Okay, so if na-question mo anong ni palit mi og cake, yeah, ni palit mi og cake and napagay chicken kay yeah, tungod birthday man sa akong mother and amo sa celebrate ang birthday sa akong mama diri. So which is mo nang nami cake and chicken. That's it. Yeah, I hope you enjoy among short video for today. Okay, so mo sa nang naghimo mig video karon kay wala mi podcast today and hopefully next week maka-podcast me for our last episode for this season. Kanang season karon na among gibuhat na podcast. So, yeah, I hope you like this video. Please comment, subscribe and like. And yeah, bye.